Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to learn computer network updated. Start by mastering the OSI and TCP/IP models, then practice with packet captures and basic lab setups using virtual machines. Focus on addressing, subnetting, routing, switching, and common protocols like HTTP, DNS, and DHCP. Set weekly goals, track progress, and build small projects such as a home lab or simple network simulator to reinforce theory with hands-on experience. Choose textbooks, online courses, and documentation that match your learning style and goals. Balance theory with practice by using simulators, labs, and real equipment when possible. Use community forums, study groups, and mentorship to clarify doubts and get feedback. Regularly review weak areas and use spaced repetition for protocol details, subnet calculations, and configuration commands. Apply knowledge by automating tasks or contributing to open-source network tools to build a portfolio. Quick recommendation: please subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It really supports the channel. On another note, I use these leak-proof containers bento box to stay organized when studying long lab sessions. They make meal prep worry-free and portable. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab them. Also consider small, durable cases for cables and adapters to keep your lab tidy. Thanks for the support. And now let's get back to the video. In labs, start small with host-to-host connectivity and gradually add routers, switches, and firewalls. Practice subnetting, ACL, NAT, and routing protocols like OSPF and BGP with realistic scenarios and troubleshooting exercises. Capture and analyze packets to learn protocol behavior and timing differences. Record mistakes and resolutions in a lab journal to accelerate learning. Challenge yourself with timed troubleshooting drills and participate in capture the flag events to sharpen practical skills. Seek feedback from peers and mentors to validate solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.